Hello friends, today we'll solve a problem related to angles in the circle, which is one of the most important sections that come in the 10th ICSE exam. Let's see the problem. The problem says that in this figure, O is the center of the circle, and angle B means ABC is 55 degree. So the question is asking what will be the angle A's value. Now let's solve it. It's a pretty important one, basic one, but a pretty important one which is used in the complex problems. See that here it says that angle B is 55 degree and we have to find angle A. Hope you can see that. So if angle B is 55, can you say that what is the angle OCB? This is a triangle. In the triangle OCB, OB is equal to OC. Why? Correct. OB is equal to OC because both are radius of the circle. These are the radii of the circle, two radii, OB and OC. So it means that the OB and OC sides are equal. In triangle, we have already studied that if the two sides are equal in a triangle, then the corresponding angles also become equal. It means if OB is equal to OC, then B, the OBC equals to OCB. So this is 55 degree. It means that this angle will be also be 55 degree. So in triangle, the angle OCB will equal to 55 degree. Hope you can understand the logic. If you don't understand it, please comment so that I can explain it again. So now in this triangle OCB, what is the total value is equal to 180 degree. We have already got what OBC plus OCB equals to 55 degree plus 55 degree. Okay, OBC has been given to us and we have just found out that OCB is also same, so it becomes 110. So if the total angle value is 180 degree and the two sides are 110, so what will be the value of O angle or the COB angle? Correct, you got it right. 180 minus 110. This is pretty easy. This is 70 degree. We got it. So we have got the value of OCB as 70 degree. Got it? Now the question is what will be the value of CAB? So in this triangle, what is the relationship between within the circle there are two triangles. One triangle has been drawn on the center and one is touching the circumference. Yes, you remember the theorem, right? The theorem says the angle formed at the center of the circle is twice the value of the angle at any point on the circumference. So the angle COB is 2x of angle CAB. So here A point is the circumference point where the angle has been formed. So it says that COB, here I am writing, okay, so CAB, angle CAB will be equal to half of COB. Got it now? Because COB is twice the value of CAB, so CAB, it means naturally will be half the value of COB, which is, so what is the COB value? 70. So half of 70 is 35. Please remember, this is a very simple thing, but the application of this theorem will be very high in the higher or complex questions, which we will discuss in the future. For the ICSE students, practice a lot of problems so that it gives you a clear hang of the concept. Thank you.